Hello, and welcome to this episode of Command Line Basics for Linux. In this tutorial, we're going to explore the use of the tape archiver command, or tar for short. The tar command is the most widely used archiving utility in Linux. It's available directly from the terminal. The command helps to create, extract, and list archive contents. The utility is simple and has many helpful options for compressing files, managing backups, or extracting a raw installation. Prior to executing the command, let's review the help ref documentation. To do so, we type in tar dash dash help, and we'll pipe this through more. Here you see provides the name of the command, brief description of the command, and any options available to execute with the command. To begin, let's take a look at the contents of the documents directory. Here you see we have several files and a directory. In the first example, we want to archive files 1, 2, 3, and 4. And after archiving, we want to remove those files. To do so, we simply type in tar cf, the name of the tar file we want created, in this case file.tar, and the name of the files, 2, 3, 4, dash dash, remove files. Now when we list the contents of the directory, we can see that we have successfully created a file archive, and files 1 through 4 no longer are listed. So what if we want to see the contents of the file tar archive? Well, we can type in tar tf file.tar. Here you can see it lists files 1, 2, 3, and 4 that are contained in that archive. So in this next example, we want to archive the files directory and compress it. However, what's in files directory? Let's take a look at the contents. You can see we have files 1, 2, 3, and 4. So to archive the directory and compress it at the same time, we would type in tar, C for create, C for compress, and F for files. Name of the archive that we want to create. In this case, we'll go files.tar, and you have to put GZ at the end to indicate it's compressed in the new zip format, and the name of the directory. So now when we list our directory contents, we can see we have a compressed files.tar.gz directory archive. And we can list the contents of that directory archive by typing in tar tf files.tar gz. And you can see it has the directory listed as well as files 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if we're not sure where we archived a particular file to, and we want to find where it's archived, we can type in tar tf, then grep, the name of the file that we're looking for. In this case, let's check for file 3.txt. I forgot to add the name of the archive. So let's try this again. Tar tf files tar gz pipe grep file 3.txt. And you can see it comes back that the archive did include files 3.txt. So let's list the contents of the directory again. And so now we have these archives. Well, how do we get the files back out of the archives? That's where we would type in tar xf files.tar. When we list the contents of the directory again, you can see files 1, 2, 3, and 4 have been restored. And what about a compressed file archive? Oh, we would simply type tar xzf files.tar.gz. Now, as you can see, our files have been restored from the archive. And that, my friends, is all there is to the archive utility in Linux. Thank you, and see you in the next episode.